Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing cinematic tonal separation using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and begin by studying how light and dark regions interact. Cinematic tonal separation focuses on creating clear distinction between different tonal zones. Add a color lookup adjustment layer from the Adjustments panel and preview LUTs that subtly shift tonal contrast. Choose one that enhances separation without crushing shadows or blowing highlights. Lower the opacity until the effect blends naturally. Next, add a Curves adjustment layer and gently adjust the curve to deepen shadows while protecting highlight detail.